Inizia il festival First Crossing, che è una piccola parte di un progetto più grande, Poklon vizije.
2 days ago, maybe she actually left somewhere.
First Crossing è un festival di cortometraggi, che ospita anche una performance, la presentazione di una rivista, un workshop e anche tanti piccoli eventi che si radunano intorno a questo luogo, Mostovna di Nova Gorica.
Jaz skrbim za programski sklop First Crossings in sicer za spremljevalni program. Torej, na meni in tudi na Dori je to, da organiziramo nekatere druge evente, ki spremljajo te tekmovalne sklope kratkih filmov. Meni ta festival pomeni to, da smo tukaj na Mostovni, da gradimo neko skupnost ljudi, ki prihajajo iz tukaj in iz tam in ki ne samo, da gledajo kratke filme in spoznavajo to neko formo, ki ni tako zelo komercialna, ampak tudi, da imajo priložnost videti čim bolj raznolik program, ki je oblikovan okoli neke teme in predvsem to, da gradimo neko skupnost Goričanov in Novogoričanov.
Hello, my name is Chatka. I'm from Nepal. I'm doing my master's here in University of Nova Gorica, and today I'm presenting my thesis project in First Crossings, the film festival. And my project is basically about the similarities that the Western and the Eastern cultures hold. So it's basically this trying to present an idea of the similarities between these two cultures, because these two cultures, who are so far apart from each other, have a lot of things in common, let's say like music or celebrations or holidays or something like that. So in a lot of different sense, we are very much similar to each other. For me personally, First Crossings Festival is a really good place to tell your stories, I think, and it's a very good place where you can share your stories or showcase your stories, and if you're an independent artist or independent filmmaker or whatever you like, independent sense you are, I think this is one of the best places to showcase this thing.